Hi there. Welcome to the GridMate learning channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the Config Wizard miscellaneous settings. For that, go to the Config Wizard by clicking on the gear icon. Click Advanced. In this example, let's change the icon. On the user grid, the grid icon comes from the object, but now we have the ability to change it. Let's set a standard custom, for example. Please note that pagination and interactive filtering are mutually exclusive, meaning they cannot be activated simultaneously. For inherited, it means that the configuration comes from the org level. By clicking on Enable or Disable, it overrides the behavior. Let's enable the interactive filter. For Grid Explorer, by clicking on Enable or Disable, it overwrites the configuration at the grid level. Enable Filter Link. Enable Export. Enable Import. Enable Autofill. Click Save. First, let's see Interactive Filter. Let's go back to our settings. Let's disable the interactive filter and activate the pagination. Click Save. Let's see the pagination. Let's create the filter link. For that, we need to create a filter. This is the quick filter link. The export. The import. The autofill. That's it. Thank you for watching.